Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger coupon code video. If you are looking to save a lot of money on buying your hosting from Hostinger, then this may be a right video, because in this video I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So, and a step-by-step procedure to get the maximum possible discount. So what you have to do is simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive coupon code link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing deal of 85% off. But if you use my coupon code and the link in the description, you can get as much as up to 95% off, which is amazing. Now, in order to get the coupon code discount, you can simply select the claim deal over here, or check with me step by step on why Hostinger is a great hosting company. So in either of the scenario, it's very important that you have to click on the link in the description, which is an exclusive discount link for my audience I have grabbed from the team of Hostinger. So scroll below. First of all, look around on the Trustpilot reviews to see if Hostinger is worthy enough or not. So 62,000 reviews with almost 4.7 ratings seems very good. But let's look around on the reviews. The reviews seems 5-star, 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 5-star. So almost all of the reviews are 5-star, which is very amazing thing. And another thing I like about hosting is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, so you can buy with confidence. Scroll below. You can see Hostinger is being recommended by almost every famous website on the internet. Scroll below. You can create your website with Hostinger Website Builder. Hostinger also supports WordPress. And if you're coming from another hosting company, Hostinger also has migrate to Hostinger. So make sure Horizons, which supports AI, you just have to give the command. It's automatically going to do the task for you. Scroll below. 4 million plus people are using Hostinger as a primary hosting company. 10 million plus websites are created with this. And even my own blog is from Hostinger, and I've been using it from the last 4 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I'm here with this video for my audience. Scroll below to these plans. You can directly come to the plans by when you click on the link in the description, simply select the claim deal and you will be landed over here. Now the coupon code discount is valid on all of the plans, but my recommendation to do a thorough research of all the plan features function before you offer any plan. So you can simply select the view all features and do a detailed comparison of this, and after this offer any plan. Now in order to get as much as up to 95% off, I'm going to select the premium plan, but you can get on other plans as well. So I'm selecting the premium plan. In my opinion, premium and business plan are both very good. Cloud seems slightly expensive, so you can offer either of this plan to save the maximum amount of money. But again, use the link in the description and the coupon code as I'm going to tell you. So after clicking on the choose plan, you will be landed over here, and here you can see Hostinger billing periods. Hostinger offer you 4 billing periods: 1, 12, 24 and 48 months. And if you want to save the maximum amount of money, offer the 48 months, because these prices won't appear again. These are special exclusive for my audience, so I want you guys to take the maximum advantage of it. So you're getting a free domain plus 2 to 3 months extra free. So write your domain over here, or you can claim later on as well from Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. So the domain is valid free for the first year, so grab it free for the first year. So it's a 2-year. I'm going to shift it to 1 year, so you do not have to pay anything additional for the free domain. And see over here, now you can see right now your order items, and so simply select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. Simply apply over here, and you're going to see that with this coupon code your price got a further discount. Now there is another coupon code as well, which I'm going to tell you. You can find both of the coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link for my audience. So you may see around over here that your price got a further discount with this coupon code. Now do a research. 48 months at 85% off, 3 extra months free, plus free backup, free domain, and additional 10%, making it more than 95% off for you. 10% simply with this 3 extra months, free domain, and free backup. So your 30 days money back guarantee is loaded with all of the plans. Now simply select the continue, and you may be asked to log in or create a new account at Hostinger. So now I'm logged into my account. I can see my order summary over here. Everything is fine. As I'm looking around, my coupon code is also applied. Now in order to proceed, I'm going to write my billing details and simply select the continue over here and move on to the last part. And the last part is selecting payment method. Now Hostinger offer you a variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via card, PayPal, Google Pay, Apple Pay, or going. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any and simply select the submit payment, like this over right over here. Simply select the submit payment, and within few minutes you're going to get an email from us with all of your hosting account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing discount. I've been using Hostinger from the last 4 to 5 years on my own blog, and my experience so far is very good. So make sure to click on the link in the description and enjoy your hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with this amazing coupon code. Good luck.